Hello friends, welcome to Global Tech Learn. In this video we will practice Power BI question related to handle data errors in Power BI, and the question is you use Power BI query editor to preview the data shown in the following exhibit. And on the right side table we can see in data we have three columns, that is SKU, price and discount. You need to clean and transform the query so that all the rows of data are maintained, and error value in the discount column are replaced with a discount of 0.05. Which actions should you perform in sequence? So now let's look at the data in Power BI query editor. So here in Power BI we can see we have three columns in data, that is SKU, price and discount. And in discount column we can see we have errors like in record number 3, and we need to replace those errors with 0.05 value. Now let's first understand why this error are showing in Power BI. So we get these data errors in Power BI because if the data is not correct as per the given data type in Power BI. So for example, in this case we can see the discount column has data type as decimal, and whatever the value is coming from source data file, that value in row number 3 is not as per the decimal data type in Power BI. So now let's fix this data errors in Power BI. So for that we need to replace these values. So in discount column we can see we are getting replace errors options. When we click on this, then we can provide the new value that we want to provide for the errors, and as per the question we have to provide 0.05, and let's hit the OK. And now we can see we are getting 0.05 for all the error records. So with this we have completed our given case. And also the same question was asked in a Power BI exam in different way, where the data type of the discount column was as the text. In that case, after replacing error values, we need to change the data type for discount column as well. So now let's go back to our question. Here from given options we can see we selected the discount column, so that is option A, and thereafter we replace error values with 0.05, so that is option E. These are the correct answers. And if the data type of discount column is text or other than decimal, then we would require the additional step, that is change the data type of the discount column to decimal number, option C.